Here she comes. She wants Loki's duck. No, Loki. You leave it. Hazel's gonna get it, okay? Good girl. You got it! Oh, now you're gonna eat it. Hi. Hi, Hazel. Are you crawling? Come here. What's that dog barking at? You stop it. No. Can you show Mama your teeth? Hey, you leave that duck there. Hazel's getting it. Yeah. Oh, there's your foot. Yeah, you did it. Hazel. Hi. Hi. Hi.